Hey everyone, and welcome back to the SSB Accounts. Today, we're diving into SSB Accounts to tackle a common task, recording a purchase and reconciling it with your bank. It's easier than you think, so let's get started. First things first, let's open up SSB Accounts and head over to the Purchases tab. If you're buying from a new supplier, no worries. Just click the Quick Add button. Type in the supplier's name and be sure to select their state. This is super important for getting the GST right later on. The bill date will automatically be set to today, and the due date will be a month from now. You can easily change these if you need to. Next, enter the bill number, that's the invoice number your supplier gave you. Now for the fun part, the bill details. Describe the product you purchased. I'm buying some eggs, so I'll type that in. Then, select the right account. I'm choosing cost of goods sold, but if you don't see the account you need, you can create a new one in the Chart of Accounts tab. I bought 2 cartons of eggs, so I'll enter 2 for the quantity and then the price for each. And just like that, the software calculates the total for you. See the GST section? It automatically selected the right GST treatment based on the supplier's state. How cool is that? For unbranded eggs, the GST rate is 0, so I'll select that. After a quick check to make sure everything looks good, I'll click Save Bill. You'll see a little notification pop up in the corner, and the bill will be marked as unpaid. Let's do one more. I'm adding another supplier, More Supermarket, who is also in Tamil Nadu. I'll enter the bill date, due date, and the supplier's invoice number. This time, I bought some cashews. I'll select Cost of Goods Sold again. Enter the quantity and price, and the software does the math. The GST is 5% for cashews, so I'll select that and save the bill. Now you can see both of our purchases listed, and both are marked as unpaid. Let's hop over to the Reports tab and check out the General Ledger detail. You can see that accounts payable has been credited, and cost of goods sold has been debited, which is exactly what we want. The input GST was also posted automatically. But back in the Purchases tab, our bills are still unpaid. Let's fix that. Go to the Banker tab. I've already added my bank account, so I'll just add a manual entry. I'll enter the date I paid the supplier, the amount, and a description, like payment to Lakshmi store for eggs. This should match what's on your bank statement. Then, I'll do the same for the other payment as More Supermarket. Now it's time to reconcile. You'll see a Reconcile button next to each transaction. Click it, and the software will find the matching bill based on the amount. Just click Match, and you're done. I'll do the same for the second transaction. And that's it. Your bank account now shows the updated running balance. If we go back to the Purchases tab, you'll see that both bills are now marked as paid. Let's take one last look at the General Ledger detail in the Reports tab. Accounts payable now has a debit balance, showing that the liability has been paid. And if you look at the bank account, you can see that the amount has been credited. Finally, if you head back to the dashboard, you'll see a beautiful breakdown of your expenses in the graph. It's that simple. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. See you in the next video.